close as I'll get to a roller.
You're a freak!
A pink roller, mate. It must be Thunderbirds.
Watching the television. You are a weirdo. You freak of nature.
Super freak, super freak.
Have you done?
Sorry, I'm just flirting. She called me a freak.
Why?
You be doing me.
Yeah.
Your balance is nothing. I can still text.
Great then, Manly.
She calls me a freak.
Why?
Freak. I'm going to have a bag. Because I can email I can text it out. Dance, Mum.
YouTube, this is going on.
No. Super freak. Stop it.
Go, Dan, go. Pump that roller.
I didn't know you were doing it all pink.
No,
Pardon?
I'm not.
That wall's not done.
Some of it's white.
That wall white. Looks safe.